Tucker's gonna fly for a little bit. You have the windows open so you get fresh air. Not gonna let him go in here, but he likes to perch up on those windows up there. So, let's see. Ready? Oh, there he goes. Into the couch. This is his favorite place to go. This is his blanket. It's his favorite place. He likes to sit on the couch and get pets. His favorite thing is getting pampered. I think you saw, we did change our couch down here. Saw in the last video, I'm pretty sure you saw him here on the couch, sitting out. He's happy. He, actually here, come on, step up, Tucker, step up. Let me give him some watermelon. Come on. Right. Yeah. Do you want a piece of watermelon? Yeah. I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. I gotta get the watermelon. Let's bring it back to the table here so I can clean it up easy. It's sort of dirty. I apologize for that. But he's good. Alright, go on. Go on. Good boy. What are you still holding? He's holding. You won't let go of my shirt. Go on. Yeah. There he is. Want your watermelon? Just set it here for you. Well, it looks like you got a little bit of carrot as well. He doesn't really like carrots. Want your watermelon? Want your watermelon? Too big? You already split it. Here. Yeah. There he goes. I'm not gonna hold it for you. Yeah. In the meantime, dogs are in the backyard. No, what, the windows aren't open for me. They were earlier, so. There we go. Open. I'm gonna go upstairs quickly and show you his new cage. So I'm gonna show you Kiwi, Cinnamon, and Adira. I'm gonna add them to the channel. This is Kiwi. She's a pineapple green cheek conure. This is Cinnamon, who's a crimson belly conure. This is Adira. She plucked her feathers out in her previous home. Wasn't here. We just got her like a month ago. This is Tucker's old cage. Now we gave this one to Adira because Adira's smaller than Tucker. We are gonna upgrade her soon because it's still small for severe. But this is his old cage. And then come in my room. Sorry, it's a mess. See his new cage. It's huge. So and then I did have 4 parakeets. Unfortunately, they all passed away, but these birds are doing good. Hi, Tucker. You enjoying your watermelon? Drop some. recording like upwards instead of like this, but it's just a preference. Also, the next video I'm recording like this, but yeah. He hasn't had watermelon in a while. It's one of his favorites. Hi. And one of the coolest parts of macaws, I think, is how they, or actually not just macaws, conures, cockatoos, cockatiels, lovebirds even, parakeets. Basically any parrot, when they're eating, they'll hold their food like this because they have really good balance on their one foot. And they'll take bites of it. And as you can see here, how he's holding it with his left foot. He's holding the fruit with his left foot. It's because birds are left-footed and right-footed, like humans are right-handed and left-handed. It's sort of crazy to think that birds are more commonly left-handed, like humans are more commonly right-handed. I don't think I've ever met a right-footed bird. I might have. Yeah, but Tucker is, as you know from the channel, he's a Severe Macaw as well. Same breed as Adira. He is bigger. Alright, we're gonna go for one more flight and then my phone's about to die. So I gotta post this. Alright. He just pooped. Ready, Tucker? Back to the couch, okay. Let's see if he wants to go somewhere other than the couch. Come on. There he goes, up to the window. That's glass up there, he can't get out. All right, I'm gonna put my phone down, I'm gonna get him down. Say goodbye. Hey, Tucker. Come on, step up. All right. Say goodbye. All right. See you guys later.